Students, today we will start unit number 2. This unit is about describing motion. In this unit, we will discuss what is motion, distance, displacement, speed, velocity, different types of velocity. Measuring speed. This is the first topic of this unit. But before going to measuring speed, we must know about what is distance and displacement. Distance, length of the path between 2 points is called distance between these 2 points. For example, you want to go to market, you follow a long path, but at the end you reach market. This long path which is followed by you, this is called distance. Second method, you go to market direct from home to market. That shortest directed distance between these 2 points is called displacement. So distance is the length of the path between 2 points is called distance between these 2 points. Distance is a scalar quantity. It is measured in meter. It is represented by S. This is the distance between 2 points. Displacement. This is the shortest directed distance between these 2 points. One is market, second is home, and red arrow shows displacement. Now you go to market from your home directly. You did not follow the long path. This shortest distance between these 2 points is called displacement. So displacement is the shortest distance between 2 points which has magnitude and direction. Displacement is a vector quantity. It is represented by D. Its unit is meter. Home and market. This is called distance. And this is called displacement. When you follow the long path, then it is called distance. But when you follow the shortest distance between these 2 points, then it is called displacement. So blue line is distance and red line is displacement. See it again. Home and market. You want to go from home to market. You follow a long path. This long path is called distance. But when you go directly from home to market, this is called displacement. Speed. The distance covered by an object in unit time is called speed. You go from home to market, you take 5 minutes. And distance from home to market is 100 meters. So the distance you have covered in 1 minute is called your speed. So you will divide 100 by 5. You will get answer 20. So 20 meters per second is your speed. Distance covered by an object in unit time. Unit time means when you are going from home to market, you will measure your distance in meters. You will measure distance in meter and time is in minute. But when you go from home to another city, then you will measure your time in hours. And distance traveled in 1 hour, that is called speed. When there is short distance, for example, you are moving in a room, then you will measure your time in seconds. So distance traveled from one wall to another wall in 1 second is called speed. When you go from home to market, then distance covered in 1 minute is called speed. When you are going from one city to another, then distance traveled in 1 hour is called speed. So speed is the distance covered by an object in unit time is called speed. Speed equal to distance covered divided by time. It is denoted by V, and distance is denoted by S. Time is denoted by T. So V equal to S over T. This is the mathematical form. Or distance equal to speed into time. If distance is denoted by S, speed is denoted by V, and time is denoted by T. So S equal to V into T. Speed is a scalar quantity. SI unit of speed is meter per second. Meter divided by second, it is unit of speed. Measuring speed. How you will measure your speed? When you run from one point to another, then you will use stopwatch. First of all, you will measure the distance from one point to another. With the help of stopwatch, you will measure the time, how much time you will take. Then you will divide distance by your time. This will give distance traveled in unit time. If distance is short, you will measure your time in seconds. If distance is long, then you will measure your time in minutes. This is speed gun, which is used by traffic police in order to measure the speed of the vehicles. Average speed. When you are going from one city to another, when you are going from home to school, speed of your car is not constant. Sometimes you have to increase your speed. Sometimes you have to decrease speed of your car. So what is the average speed? For finding the average speed, you will divide total distance from home to school with total time you have taken. So average speed is the total distance divided by total time taken by a body. It is called average speed. Calculation of average speed. This is the formula for finding the average speed. This total distance covered with total time taken. That is called average speed of the car. Uniform speed. When a body covers equal distance in equal intervals of time, however short interval may be, this is called uniform speed. For example, when road is clear, your car is moving with same speed. When you measure the distance traveled in each second, that is the same. Since there is no change in your speed of your car, then we will say that speed is uniform. When a body covers equal distance in equal time interval, maybe you can take 1 second, you can take 2 seconds, you can take 1 minute. It depends upon you. So it is called uniform speed when there is no change in your speed. For example, we will take the time in seconds, 0, 1 second, 2 second, 3 second, 4 second. In each second, when you measure the distance, that distance is 10 meter. In 2 seconds, it is covering 20. In 3 seconds, it is covering 30 meter. In 4 seconds, it is covering 40 meter. So, formula for speed is V equal to distance divided by time. When you divide distance, suppose we will take the first case. Distance traveled by your car is 10 and time taken is 1. So your speed will be 10, unit of distance is meter, and unit of time is second. So unit of speed will be meter per second. Now, second case, distance traveled is 20 and time is 2. When you divide 20 with 2, your answer will be 10 meter per second. In third case, distance traveled is 30, time is 3. So your answer will be 10 meter per second. Similarly, in fourth case, distance traveled is 40 meter. Time is 4 seconds. Speed will be 10 meter per second. So in each case, you get the speed 10 meter per second, which is same. This same speed is called uniform speed. Velocity. Velocity is the speed in a given direction. When you mention the direction with speed, then that speed is called velocity. You can define velocity as a speed of a body in a specified direction. Speed of a body in specified direction, that is called velocity. In previous case, we have calculated the speed 10 meter per second. But when we write it as 10 meter per second and your car is moving towards the east, 10 meter per second towards the east, then that speed is called velocity. 10 meter per second towards the west, then we will not say its speed, we will call it velocity. Velocity is the speed in given direction. Rate of change of displacement of a body is called velocity. Its unit is meter per second. Unit is same. Since you just mentioned the direction with speed, so unit of speed and velocity is same. Mathematical form of velocity. V equal to d over t. This is the mathematical form of velocity, displacement divided by time, or t equal to displacement divided by v, or d equal to displacement velocity multiplied by time. Types of velocity. Average velocity, same as that of speed. Total displacement divided by total time taken by the body. When you divide total displacement covered by the body with time, then you will get the average velocity of that body. Next is mathematical form. Average velocity equal to total displacement with time. Average speed equal to total distance divided by time. This is the main difference between speed and velocity. In velocity, you have to divide displacement with time. In speed, you have to divide distance with time. For straight line motion, when a body is moving in a straight line, then average speed and velocity will be same, since there is no change in direction. Then displacement and distance will be same. When a body is moving in a straight line, then distance and displacement will be equal. Suppose this is the straight line, this is one point, this is another, and this line is straight. In this case, distance equal to displacement when a body is moving in a straight line. Uniform velocity. When a body covers equal displacement in equal intervals of time, road is clear, there is no change in speed of your car, and you are moving towards the east, then your velocity is said to be uniform. When a body covers equal displacement, instead of distance, you have to use displacement. Then velocity is said to be uniform. For example, distance, displacement, and time. Time is 1 second, displacement is 10. Time is 2 seconds, displacement is 20. Time is 3 seconds, displacement is 30. In this case, you want to find the velocity of the body. When you want to find, when you will get velocity of the body, then velocity will be same. In first case, 10, velocity, formula for velocity is 10 divided by 1. Velocity will be 10 meter per second. In second case, displacement is 20. Time is 2. Your answer will be 10 meter per second. Velocity is same. Third case, time is 3 seconds. Displacement is 30. 30 divided by 3, you will get again 10 meter per second. In fourth case, time is 4 seconds and displacement is 40. So your answer will be 40 divided by 4, which is equal to 10 meter per second. In each case, velocity of the body is same. Difference between speed and velocity. Starting point is, this is starting point, and this is the finishing point. When a body moves from this point to this point, then it is called distance. And when you divide distance with time, it is called speed. Suppose this distance is 100 meter. This distance is 100 meter. And time is 10 seconds. So speed will be 100 divided by 10. And when it moves straight from one point to other, then displacement is 40 meter. Time taken is suppose 10. So velocity will be 10 meter per hour towards the west. So when direction is mentioned and you will divide displacement with time, then it is called velocity. Speed equal to distance over time and velocity equal to displacement over time. This is the main difference between velocity and speed. Speed versus velocity. Number 1, speed equal to distance divided by time. Velocity is displacement over time. Number 2, it tells speed of a body. It tells direction of the body. Velocity tells direction of the body. In which direction body is moving. Number 3, speed is a scalar quantity and velocity is a vector quantity. Speed is always positive. Velocity can be positive or negative. What is negative velocity? Concept of negative velocity. When you are decreasing the speed, then your velocity is said to be negative. When you are increasing the speed, then your velocity will be positive. When speed and velocity is equal, when a body is moving in a straight line, then distance and displacement are equal and speed and velocity become equal. When a body is moving in a straight line, then distance and displacement are equal, so speed and velocity are equal. Thank you.